Hi everybody, welcome to Truly Tara, and today we're going to be unboxing Slay. I'm really excited about this. This is the first time that I've got this box, so let's unbox this. That's cute. All right, so there's a lot of bubble wrap and tape, which is fine. That's good. Okay, first we have Luxe Lashes Mana Kadar Beauty. Mana Kadar. And you have a little eyelash curler. Cute. And mascara. So let's check that out. Cool. Alright. Cute little eyelash curler. I've been trying to do the whole, like, doing my eyeshadow like they do on TikTok. They make all that stuff look so easy, and I don't care. It's not. It doesn't work as good as what they some people just have that touch. I do not. All right, next we have Mana Kadar Beauty, and it is, ooh, that is very pretty. Love those colors. It is a Blossom Floral Compact. So that's really nice. I guess it's just blush and highlighter. So that's really pretty. And that reminds me a lot of what I just got in the ZC. And this is gorgeous. I love it. But the colors were like green and yellow and orange. Like that and that would be perfection to me. But it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm a sucker for packaging, but if I'm going to use it every day, that's what really truly matters. I am a sucker for packaging, but I would rather have something that I'm going to use every day rather than just the pretty packaging, which is why I'm probably not going to be having ZC around much longer. Okay, so next we have Okalon, familiar with them. And it is a perfect liquid liner for lips. Is that? Okay, gently shake the liquid to make it uniform. Do not allow infants. I'm not sure if this is liquid. I mean, it's wine red. I don't see, I mean, you could put it on your eyes. Let's see. Woo! Yeah. That, that's a lot of pink. I'm good with pink because I'm starting to come around to pink. I used to hate pink, but it's growing on me. Oh, that got, wow. I don't know how that happened, but that happened. Oh, wow. Okay. Um, well, that's not good. um, I guess that just busted on me. Oh my gosh, what a mess. All right. Well, I want to keep rolling because that's what I do here. I do not stop. I keep going. Wow. Okay, so we went from that to that. Okay. All right. Well, I have one thing. Well, no, I have two. I have the liquid lip gloss, which is really, really pretty. We'll just kind of, that's a very matte, very pretty nudie pink. Like it? I don't know if that liquid liner was supposed to go there, and then I don't. I've never had a. I have never had a liner in my life do that to me. I don't know what caused that. I mean, you literally seen me open it from the box, and all of a sudden it was just everywhere. That at first I thought I cut myself on something crazy. Okay, so last but not least, we have a palette from Lorella, and it is called Scandal. If I can get it open. Oh my gosh. All right, I do not want to tear this. Not that I will. This is just not my day today. What? Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's see what we got. Ooh. I'm loving those colors. Okay. From snake to dirty laundry. I like it. Gossip, bad behavior, drama queen, problematic, confession, haters, jealous, messy, exposed. Speaking of messy, blackmail, heartbreak, rumors, toxic vibes. Tell me, chisme. I think that's a. Um, what is it? Oh God, I don't know. Forget it. Canceled. Yeah. Okay. So really, really, those are some great colors. A lot of them too, and that's a cute little scandalous palette there. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this short since I look like I'm bleeding all over myself. So for 24 bucks, I think I paid 21 for this one. Um, but the cost every month will be 24.80, I think. Um, so far so good. I thought that it came in like an actual little sleigh purse. So maybe I'm thinking of the wrong box. But all right, that's it. That'll wrap it up for Tara's truly Tara. I was getting ready to call it the old name. Okay, well we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.